So my little wife said, let's go swimming. What would you do? I think I'm going swimming. Hey, if she says we're going swimming and looking like that, I'm going swimming. It's another day here at Las Conchas del Mar.
That's right.
Melinda took me out for a swim, tried to drown me. I survived. I survived. I tell you what, after being sick and still not completely over it yet for a few days and having fever, that water felt shocking to me. The shocking reality.
Shocking, but it's also at the same time, it really feels good to you. Especially if you're coughing and you're not feeling good.
That salt water felt good in my sinuses.
It does.
Yeah. Well, Mel, let's look and see what else is happening here. So I was showing her they're working on the extension to the boat ramp. I know the sun's got us shadowed out right now. Just bear with me here. So that's what those guys are doing. They're working on another extension on the boat ramp. So I'm trying to finalize that. Arlie and Marvin are preparing the level lines, all the marks to begin the forming and the steel for the tie beams. So I just really stressed with Arlie this morning that I want to make sure those are level, because the previous person I had doing this kind of work over at the garage, the very one part that I did not oversee, they got the concrete really out of level, and when it comes time for me to tile that floor, I'm going to have to do a lot of extra money and work to get it out level. So that's where you need to be on site and double check. Yesterday, I had Arlie in here in this outdoor restroom to pour cement in over here. And I see a mistake already. Already see a mistake. He sloped it down to the washing machine drain pipe. That's not a drain for the floor. That's a drain for the washing machine. So there's 3 drain pipes here. That is a floor drain for a washing machine, like they do it in Asia, and maybe some other countries as well. It doesn't have one up on the wall like we have in the US, and the pipe hooks down into it. It pumps straight into a floor drain. Then this is for a sink that'll be here. Sorry for the echo. And this is a floor drain for draining the floor itself. Mel and I have been sick. Isn't that right, baby? She got it first.
But I'm healing now.
And then I caught it. Her mom's got it. Her brother's got it. Some of the kids have got it. It's really going around. And so, sorry, something was flying in my eye there. So, this is why there's been a gap in videos with us guys. I've got some that are coming up late that you see those and go, well, you didn't look sick in that video. That was actually shot when we first got here, and I'm so delayed getting them up. But the work's continued on every day, and I have been over here at the job site, at the construction site, mainly staying inside.
Yeah, you always stay here.
And laying on a cot even, just miserable. Oh my goodness.
Even in the nighttime, you like to stay here, and I'm come here back and forth to just fetching him to come home.
I told her we're building a house here to live here. I'm starting now. Yeah, I'm starting now. So no, we're not split up. We are together. She's manning one post and I'm manning the other post.
That's right.
On guard. Well, we have little projects going on today here. I'll throw up a little clip while I'm talking here. They're working out pouring the extension on to the boat ramp. I was going to make just one more extension. I looked at it a little bit more in the way that I want the trailer to kind of drop quick into the water. I'm going to add one more that's going to have a pretty good angle down because we're not only trying to use that as a boat ramp, which I may have mentioned before, we're also kind of using it as a little bit of a jetty wall too for a rip current that comes down through there. And
It's a double purpose.
yeah, and destroys a lot of the beach right along that area.
We are bright also to protect our property.
So the neighboring town going towards Gimbal, they've built many jetties. I guess the government or the city themselves did.
Yeah, the
But
city.
our town of Tigbawan, maybe we just didn't have the budget in this town here or
There's some
something
part
for
over
that.
there, but it's only in the town.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so maybe just our municipality here just didn't have it in their budget. We're a small community, so so be it. But I'm trying to build one out a little bit of myself, not extensive, not a great big jetty, not no hundreds of feet long or nothing, but it'll have some effect, and we know it will. And just down the beach a ways, the Hernandez family years ago built one as well, and it was also effective. And Bearland has one somewhat, just a little bit
Yes,
there.
there's a-
yeah, which is a little resort
It's a
owned
short-
by, was that a German guy that owns that resort?
Yeah, German.
Yeah, just right down the beach from us here too. So some people think that's a lot of money, just get a boat in the water, but it's not just to get a boat in the water. It is for protecting our little beach down through here.
And even the Bureau of Fire there, they also protect their property. They also build the seawall there.
That's right, even the Bureau of Fire did, or they're right there along by the beach too. So it's just part of it. And of course, someday we may have jet skis. We may have. They're so expensive here, people. You don't know. A used jet ski that you can probably pick up for $700, $800, $1,000 in the U.S. Maybe a $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 item here.
Expensive
And
here.
yeah, and a $4,000 or $5,000 jet ski in the USA may be a $12,000 to $18,000 jet ski here, and we could keep going up.
It's a rich toys.
Yeah, they consider that a rich man's toys. The duty fees are just phenomenal to have that here. I do have a friend that deals in them, and who knows, we may get a hookup one of these days. Just never know. But until then, at least I'll have a ramp. I can pretend I can roll one out. Maybe I can make one out of cardboard. I'll make a fake one. I'll put a
Yeah.
pump boat inside of it, make it look like a jet ski on the outside.
Improvise, make your own.
Yeah. I just went up. I took 3 more solar panels up on the roof yesterday, and I made up another cable to tie them together to branch an additional set in of groups of 3s now. So let's see what difference it's going to make. I'll have my lovely assistant here to help me out, and let's see what difference it makes in power as we bring it on hot now. So I'm going to turn off the solar array. We'll do a reading before I do. We'll go hook on this additional group, and we'll see what the reading is afterwards. So come on with us. Hey everyone, first of all, I want to thank you all for watching our videos and supporting our channel. If you haven't already done so, please do Mel and I a big favor and go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell, always comment, and always hit that like if you got something good out of our video. Hit dislike if you didn't. We don't care either way. Show how you feel out there, right? Well, again, we very much appreciate you watching us. I know that we cover multiple topics. We cover home building in the Philippines. We cover farm life in Texas. That's the dual lives right there. Beach life, Philippines. Farm life, Texas. Rent houses in Texas. Building in both places. We cover solar, and we cover traveling. We cover living a multicultural life as well. So if you enjoy any or all of those things, and a little bit of travel and all, again, please hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell. We continue to grow because of great supporters like you.